So, the other day on the channel, I made, well, it's probably 3-4 days ago, I made a video on my 1975 Suzuki TC100 dirt bike. And I had said it was going to be on the channel and make videos. Well, I don't have that bike anymore. I traded it. So, that didn't last long. But I traded it for this. This beauty right here. 2001 Honda XR100R. And this one runs and drives. It is really nice. It needs a new seat because this is the original seat. It's like a couch cushion, or like an armrest. But it's $100 for a used seat, so it's gonna be on there a while. It burns oil a lot. Like it smokes more than a 2-stroke. I'll show you all that in a second. But it needs a new back tire and wheel and tube. And it needs a new tube in the front. But this fender actually came off an 84 model Honda. And the dude gave it to me when I got the bike. He said, I don't have the one for the original bike, but I have this. So I painted it. I got up early this morning and painted it. And stuck it on the bike. But yeah, let me fire it up. Now, look at this smoke. That's what I was talking about when I said it smoked. So, yeah, it smokes pretty bad. And I have to turn it off by putting it in gear because I don't have an actual kill switch yet. It's right here. I just haven't wired it up, but I'm not gonna wire it up because I can just put it in gear and turn it off. But this one will actually be on the channel for a good amount of time. I'll be making videos putting tires on it and putting new wheels on it. And I've already named it. This is gonna be the Little Red Oil Burner. That's this one's name. And I'm not even gonna fix that because you gotta put rings on it, and rings themselves aren't expensive. But paying somebody to do it is expensive, and I can do it myself. But Honda is such a reliable engine, but it is a pain in the butt to work on. So to pay somebody to do it would be expensive, so I'm not even worried about it. Yeah, let me take y'all around on a ride on it. Just around my pasture real quick. Well, that is my 2001 Honda XR100R. This bike is going to be on the channel a lot, and I'm thinking about if I can find a better way to mount my camera, because the whole time I was literally holding it in my hand. I would have to set my arm on there and shift all with one hand with the clutch. Fun times. But if I can find a better way to hold up my camera, I'm going to make a video riding it through the trails out in the woods and the creek. But tune in for the next video. Thank you for viewing.